Yo, welcome back. I hope you liked that last video, but in this video we will not be doing any work on any cars. Shop is getting close to confirmation from the city. It's just been a waiting game. Finally got the drawings in today for the blueprint. It's a big old stack of nonsense that I don't understand. It's confusing, but yeah, we are getting close. And on this video, we are just going to be organizing the garage just a little bit. As you can see, I'm getting a little backed up. Oh, hold on, let's go check out. I think the UPS just dropped something off. Let's go check that out real quick. And yeah, it did. All right, let's just set it down on here with all the other unopened packages. I know what this is. This I ordered more gear. Oh damn, must have opened. I ordered more gear from Rogue Fab. They're doing another drawing. I didn't win it. In fact, here's a photo of it right here. I'm trying to win this little bender right here. It's like $3,000 worth of stuff. I didn't win it last month, but I'm gonna give it a try again. Need a new work hat. They got pretty nice gear. Also, another Rogue Fab shirt, which I like. Really comfortable. Good for my in the garage working. And working hat also. Looks really good to be working with it, but I think I am gonna try it. Oh hell yeah, it's legit. Cool. It's gonna become a work hat though. Get dirty. Hold on, let's open. Alright. This came in a couple weeks late. This was ordered at the same time as this is for the bead rollers. It's not metal. It's made in the USA. It's the Jamie Jordan's art series. I will show you more videos of this later. It looks like all my dies. It's doing my art stuff. This must be cookies, I'm assuming. Hold on. This is just a box of biscuit cookies I ordered for my dad. Damn, it's pretty heavy. It's like a brick. Alright, this shouldn't be in the garage. Yeah, just a quick little organizing. Finally opening up packages. Been here. I actually got this box. It's been sitting here for the last few weeks. I just cracked it open, so I'm going to actually show you what's underneath it. And I got another one over here. It's extremely heavy. We had to have several people come pulled into the shop, you know. I will open that one last. That's a treat that I've been waiting for the last couple months. So you know what? I'm gonna slap this shirt on real quick and give it a test fit. And well, it's comfortable, it's stretchy, and I'll buy like freaking 5 of these. Use it for work. It's hella comfy, and it looks nice. So get to cracking on that box. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. See, give you guys a quick glimpse. It's gonna be a short video. Stay tuned. She actually got it for me for a gift for the shop. It's supposed to be when the shop gets built, but it came in before the shop got built. So we are gonna probably try to put that together. I think I might need 2 people to put that together. Forgot to mention, since I got that one, I will be having one for sale, which is the 8-inch Eastwood, also same brand. It's all manual. It's a little 8-inch one. You can do a lot of stuff with it. I've used it only maybe about like 10 times. And then the wife surprised me with that, so that's up for sale if anybody's looking for it. Hit me up on the email or the comments, and we'll see what we can work out. Okay, so all right, everything got loosened up already. It's been loosened. Just wanted to check and make sure I had everything, but it's not fully off. Yep, like this side is stuck. All right, let's pull this off. Bam, look at that. Hold on, this is not safe. Look at all these nails. I'm gonna tip this over real quick. Yeah, we've been waiting on this one for a while. It's a really heavy one. It's been sitting here. Eastwood's 36-inch fully forward and reverse electronic bead roller. It is nice. It is extremely heavy, so once we put it together, it's definitely going to stay stationed in a corner somewhere, because last thing I want to do is keep moving that around. But damn, I wasn't expecting it to be this big. I knew it was gonna be big. I thought it was gonna maybe be like a foot or 2 foot shorter. But I'm gonna make sure I put it to use, full use. so it ain't a waste of money. We're gonna get cracking at this and put it together. Man, I really should have waited for someone to come give me a hand. That was it's a lot of work. Packaging was nice, but I noticed with the Eastwood, all the bigger stuff, man, they put in really long ass sharp nails. So I had to go in there one by one and just get a hammer and just flatten them on there and make sure I don't step on them or the kids don't step on them. And I'm gonna throw all this stuff in the truck. Yeah, we'll see how far I get. This is kind of a test. This thing is freaking heavy. Probably weighs like 100-something pounds. And it's awkward, it's just heavy on one end. So it's definitely a solid build machine. So you guys will see on a time lapse or anything, because I'm not going to bore you with assembling it, because this is not a tutorial. It's just showing you guys my day-to-day thing in the shop. So stay tuned. All right, I didn't read the instructions, but we got it together. I know a lot of you guys out there skip looking at the manuals and all that. I'll look at the manual when we get to the bigger machine electronic parts and all that. But for the most part, it was straightforward. Just slap it together like Legos. I mean, it's just common sense. But yeah, always look at the manual. Don't be a dumbass like me. I'm gonna turn around. Here's the stand. The stand's all bolted up. Had the kids come help me do it earlier. Got some of the. This is actually supposed to sit like this. And it's pretty much a die holder. It just sits, every die sits in these little slots, so that way you don't have to put it somewhere else in the shelf or a drawer. You can lose it. It'll just stay with the machine itself. And this is too heavy to bolt on. I might try to lean this over, bolt it together, then try to pick it up, or I might have the wife come give me a hand. She just got home like 5 minutes ago. That'd probably be a smarter thing to do, especially when my back's already kind of hurting right now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just have the wife come help me do this real quick, set it up. I would like to demonstrate it, but I don't really have the time to demonstrate it. You can look it up online. You will start to see me do videos and time lapse, not tutorials of actually what I'm doing with this. I like doing art stuff, so that's what this mainly is for automotive restoration mainly, but for my art side. I love doing art, metal art, so you name it. I just enjoy it. So let's get at that and pray that the wife wants to help. So I had an idea to try to throw it on the side like this, like I said in the earlier video. Set it down, bolt it halfway. I'm gonna try to see if we can pivot it up from the top heavy area all the way up. Wife ain't here yet. I'm gonna try to attempt this myself, so if I mess up, you guys are gonna see it on video. I'm gonna try picking it up right now, okay? Oh, hell no. Yeah. We are not doing that. Way too heavy. When you pick it up just a little bit, a couple inches, it doesn't feel so bad, but when you're trying to get it up mid-air, you can tell it just ain't safe, so I'm just gonna wait for the wife. Stay tuned. Well, damn, that took way longer than I expected. Way too long, but it's all together now. Show you real quick, just give you guys a little walk around about it. So it's a motorized foot pedal, forward, reverse, very straightforward, simple. All the dies holder right here. It's cool because it's adjustable. My old one was adjustable, but you could only use it with a crescent wrench, or I mean an Allen wrench, and do that. But this one's got a nice little smooth little lever right here. It's really nice, like a little old school window thing. Clamps it down. But I will demonstrate maybe in another video when the shop is done and all that. Here are the dies that I ordered separately. These are from a different company. They're Mittler Bros. The Jamie Jordan's stencil art dies. These are not metal. These are made by a certain kind of hard plastic, so it doesn't mar the aluminum that I'm gonna be using on. Oh yeah, before I forget, I wasn't gonna show this, but my Max Jacks 2-post lift came in. There you go. They make good stuff. Make good stuff. It is good for a low garage. There will be another video on that, maybe. Nothing really too detailed about it. It's just a regular 2-post lift made for just a regular garage, 2-car garage. Yeah, to fit in here. The reason I got this is because I got rid of my. I started consolidating some old equipment. Like I had a scissor lift, which I sold it to another car friend, and this is the reason why. It's because I was getting a different one that would fit my needs for the shop better. If I didn't work on cars so much, I mean like consistently, almost every day, I wouldn't get a lift. I'm fine with jack stands and jack. It's just the fact that I do so much, time's a factor for me, so I need to be on it. So this worked. The scissor lift, it worked for like the last 7 years. It was perfect. But it's time to move on and upgrade. We all evolve, our skills evolve, so my tools are gonna have to evolve with me. But we are gonna end this video, and thank you for watching. It ain't nothing about cars and working, but something about my day-to-day life in the shop. So thanks for watching.